Hello, good morning. Again, happy Sunday. This is our fourth, FB Live of our show, which is called Food and Financial Literacy. So as you can see, it's Sunday. So I want to greet everybody. Happy Independence Day to America. Happy 4th of July. And here's a saying. Okay, there's a saying that goes, you are not really totally free until you are financially free, right? But for today, I'm so glad that you're here. I hope tell everybody that I've been doing this every Sunday, 9:30, so that we can all enjoy, how to make things on our own and at least, save money, okay? But anyways, one time I went to HEB, right? And I saw this, I love this, okay, spring rolls, right? But I went there and they were like priced for around $6, right? And there was only 3 pieces. And I said, maybe, I can do that, right? So for today, I'm going to teach you how to do spring rolls, right? And at the same time, okay, I'm also going to be talking another concept in the Saving Your Future book, okay? The power of floor and cap, okay? How it works and how it can affect the growth of your money. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started, okay? So as you can see, I have all my ingredients ready to go, right? Okay, so we have here our cilantro. We have our mint. I love to put mint in my spring rolls. Your spring roll could be anything that you want, okay? I have avocados. I have cucumber. I have strings of what they call this, I forgot, carrots, okay? And then I have my lettuce, okay? And of course, don't forget your vermicelli noodles, okay? You can buy them at the Asian market or at HEB or Walmart. And then also, if you want protein, then I have my shrimp here, which I already sliced in half, okay? One of the main ingredients that we have is our spring roll, what they call this, rice wrapper, which I bought at HEB, okay? Now for the sauce, okay, you might want to use also a ready-made peanut sauce, and then you can also crush some peanuts here, and you can put it there on your sauce here, okay? I made my own, so I use oyster sauce with I think I use oyster sauce with some peanut butter, and so I have this one, okay? But if you don't want to make that, then you can also buy this, okay? And then I put a little bit of garlic on it also. Now for the other sauce, okay, if you want to have your own sauce here, this is just water and fish sauce, okay? And I also put a little bit of sambal oelek, which is chili paste, and also some peppers in it. I put a little bit cilantro, I think, and then, squeeze some lemon on it. You can make your sauce as, however you want, okay? But this is how I want mine, okay? And also put a little bit pepper on that, all right? So let's go ahead and get started with our spring roll, okay? I just get ready with my camera so you can see what I do. Okay, so first is get your wrapper, okay? So I have water here. I just put a little bit of warm water, not too much, not too warm, okay? But you can just, not soak, but just put it like that, not too long in it because it's gonna be sticky and it's hard to roll, okay? So that's a technique. And then you put it here. I like using my bamboo thing for my sushi because so it won't stick that much. So now get your lettuce first, okay? Gonna shape that like that. Get your lettuce, okay? I want some cucumbers on my roll. I want some avocado, okay? More avocado, and then I want some mint, okay? Put some mint in there. I want some cilantro, okay? And then let me just get it closer to you. Cilantro, and then put some carrots in it. As I said, you can put whatever you want on your spring roll, okay? And then get your vermicelli noodles. Okay, I want just a little bit of it. Okay, there you go. As you can see there it is, okay? Nicely positioned. So now, okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna position my shrimp like this, okay? So I'm going to put it like that on top of that. Position it like that. All right. Make sure the nice, you know, the front surface of the shrimp is facing the outside of your wrapper. Okay. So for presentation. Okay. So there you go. There you go. There. Can you see it? Right? So now, here's what we're gonna do, okay? Let me just position my camera so you can see it nicely. Okay, hold on. There. All right, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take this here like this, right? And you're gonna roll it well, okay? Make sure you roll it well. Make sure it's tight, all right? Like that. And then you close it on the edge. Okay. Close it on the edge like that. And then you roll it here with your shrimp on top. Let me just organize those shrimp. And roll and roll and roll and roll. Wow, it looks good. There you go. Okay. See how beautiful that is? Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's how you make a spring roll. Okay, and then of course you get your peanut sauce. Okay, and then you do that, you dip it, and then you just eat. Okay, so actually this was my breakfast this morning. So very easy, right? Instead of buying, you know, $6 worth of this, and it's just 3 pieces, you know. And for all of these ingredients that I have here, I only spent like around, I think, $20, okay? So imagine how many I can make. I can make 20 or 30 of this, okay? So actually, I think it's my, I'm gonna make this one tomorrow. It's my birthday tomorrow. So I'm gonna make some of this tomorrow and have my guests make it with me, right? Cooking session with birthday, okay? So that's our spring roll, okay? So make sure if you have any questions about ingredients, about, you know, the details of it, then you can just send me a direct message, okay? And then of course, you know, let me just go to my next segment, okay? As you can see, we are campaigning for financial literacy, and we want to educate 30 million families by 2030, and we are using this book, okay? So if you have not gotten this book yet, let me know, and I can give this to you for free for watching my my show and for sharing my show to anyone. Okay, so here's the most exciting part of our show for today. I'm gonna show you the concept about caps and floor. Okay, so as you can see here, this is an example. So for example, we're gonna compare, you know, how your money is gonna work in the market and how your money is gonna work when you use caps and floor. Okay, so for example, okay, the cash value of an account is based on a market index with 13% cap. That means if the index grow up to 13%, then the company gives you 13%. Okay, but if the index is at 25%, they still give you 13% because that's the cap, and a 0% floor. That means 0% floor is it means even if the market goes negative, okay, you don't lose any money. So here, 0 is your hero. Okay, so let's just say you put away $100 to make it grow, okay? So $100, how's that gonna work? So let's see. On year 1, if you have $100, if the market is 18%, right? Then your money grow to 118. So you can see that, right? On the second year, if the market went down to 15%, okay, then your money is $130. But I want to show you how that looks in a graph, okay? So on the first year, okay, first year, your money grew to $118. So first year, okay, 118 is somewhere here. There you go. All right. Okay, now, it says here on the second year, the market went down 15%, so your money went down to $100.30. So on the second year, okay, your money went down to $100, so around this point, right? As you can see, your graph went down, okay? And then on the third year, what happens if the market went up again to 10%? So now you have $110.33, okay? So on the third year, Okay, it went up to $110.33. So graph looking good, right? Okay. And then of course on the fourth year, market went down again. And that's how market works. They go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. Okay. So on the fourth year, negative 5%. So that's about $105. So on the fourth year, your graph is somewhere here. Okay. So notice that this is how a market works. Like if you put your money in the market, it's like up and down. You don't know what's going to happen. Okay, so that's how it works. So now let's look if your $100 is being put in an account wherein there's a cap and there's a floor. Okay, so here, okay, since the cap is 13% on the first year, the market grew to 18%. So therefore, you get $113. Okay, so looking at your graph, so on the first year, $113 is somewhere here. Okay, lower than the other one. Okay, what about the second year? Market went down, okay? And so since the floor is 0%, then you don't lose money. So your money stayed at 113, okay? So therefore, here on your graph, second year, this one stays. So it's like that, okay? On the third year, okay, market went up again to 10%. So therefore, okay, your money becomes $121.30. So here on your third year, okay, $121.30 is here. So there's your graph, okay? And on the fourth year, okay, since the market went down to 5%, then your money stayed because, again, 0 is your hero. So 121 on the fourth year is like this. So that's how you analyze, or that's how, caps and floor work compared to whenever you're putting your money in the market, okay? So as you can see, the red line is how the market works. You don't know what's going to happen. But if you put your money in an account that has a floor and a cap, this is how it's going to be, okay? So depending on you, whatever you want, okay, because you are the one deciding on where to put your money, but this is how, okay, a cap and a floor works, and this is how a market works, okay? So you decide. All right, so I hope you learned something today in my fourth FB Live, Food and Financial Literacy. And again, I invite you, okay, to attend this national workshops, which are happening 2 to 3 times daily from Monday through Friday. But me personally, I also do one-on-one financial workshop for free, also in my link, okay? So if you're interested in attending these workshops, you won't regret it, okay? You're gonna learn a lot like I had, okay? Because this workshop really helped me learn more about finances, okay? Finance one-on-one, all right? So again, happy 4th of July. Enjoy your Sunday. Have a blessed afternoon or morning or evening, wherever you are. Bye for now.